And let's just go ahead and see. This thing does quite a bit. Let's see if any of this fall off. So none of the sockets fall off. Today we're just going to quickly go into a new organizer that we have here, and that is the Olsa Tools socket organization tray. So the reason we're going to get into this is I have used the Ernst Socket Boss, Westling socket organizer, and the Harbor Black socket organizer. All three been great, no issues with any of them. So I wanted to get an organizer this design. It's a little bit different from my other ones. I'm actually going to be using this organizer to kind of bundle all of my miscellaneous sockets that I have all over in my toolboxes. So we have these two here, some triple squares, some bolt biters, some more impact torques, and some more bolt biters, some Allens, a lot of other tools or sockets that I had throughout 4 different drawers, and we're going to consolidate it on this here organizer. That will save me room in 3 other drawers. So instead of having these spread out all over the place, it's going to take up one smaller area in one drawer instead of 4 larger areas in 4 drawers. It's going to be an 80-piece socket organizer. You're going to have 20 1/4-inch adapters. There's going to be 30 3/8 and 30. It's got a steel construction backing. The great thing about this is you can remove the clips, kind of install them however you want. So like with these triple squares, I have a couple 1/2-inch drive, 3/8, 1/4-inch drive. So it's a mix of everything, but I want to keep them together. So I'm going to order that. We're going to be rearranging these. I do actually have a spring-loaded ball bearing in them to hold the socket in, so it does hold them very well. It's got this little tab here to lock it onto the rails. It is riveted to the steel plated backing, and it's quality. You got a little hanger handle here, so it's easy to just grab the whole thing and go. You can buy more clips as well, so if you need more 1/4-inch or 3/8 or anything like that, you can purchase more clips. Keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and get these miscellaneous sockets that I had throughout consolidated onto this rail and see how it turns out. So I consolidated as much as I could with the clip options that I have. So the only thing that I wasn't able to put on the rail were actually the triple squares, which is just fine. So I decided to put all of the 1/2-inch drive bolt biters top, along with my oxygen sensor socket up here. Then I have the OEM Tools oil filter sockets here. I have the shallow 3/8 and 1/4-inch drive bolt biters. Then I have the impact Allen, and that comes in all 3 drive sizes. So what I have left here is 1/2-inch, 1 3/8, 1/4-inch. And let's just go ahead and see. This thing does quite a bit. Let's see if any of this fall off. So none of the sockets fall off. You got your carrying handle over here. Good thing it does have that metal backing, because if you were to lift this up and it was plastic, it would most likely break after. So I do like that steel construction backing. The plastic rails are clipped on, and I do like that you can actually remove these fairly easily. And the spring ball bearings work really well in these. I think it's set up really nicely. Everything's nice and organized, and I don't have a bunch of my miscellaneous items in all these different, so they're all going to be located in one spot now. So it's really nice, and it frees me up from using those 2 organizers up there, and then these organizers here. Get some of these blow molded cases out of my toolbox. So I think this is a good option. Other than that, I think it's a great organizer. Let me know your guys' thoughts, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.